to us. So Apurva Parekh, the director of Pidilite Industries, is with us to talk about that. Mr. Parekh, good morning and thanks for joining in. It's been a big beat on your margins this time around, 23% margins versus 16.5% earlier. Do you expect to see further benefits of lower crude prices in the second half as well?
Yes, we expect the margin to be good in the second half of the year.
Okay, will you, Apurva, take a chance with slightly maybe lower prices, but try and capture the volume game?
See, we are not strictly in the volume game. We sell, branded product. So we are strictly not going to reduce the price just to get higher volume. But if there is a need, if the market requires it, we will consider some price adjustment.
No, you have the advantage of lower raw material cost, which is why I was asking you. In any case, what do you expect will be the full year volume growth, revenue growth?
See, we would not like to give a guidance for the second half of the year. So generally, we do not give a revenue guidance.
Okay, but when you say that, your margins you'll continue to maintain them, do you expect to see better than this 23% or will it be around this 20 to 23% range itself?
See, it's difficult to predict because, it depends on oil prices and it depends on the input prices, but we expect the margin to remain good. And to answer earlier question, if we believe that there is a need for price adjustment, to maintain our market share, we will certainly do that.
Okay, how are your industrial products business doing? How did it face this quarter? I mean, your revenues have declined in that particular segment. So are you facing a bit of pressure there?
Yes, our revenues have declined a bit, and I think we believe that it has happened amongst our industrial portfolio in a couple of product segments, and where we believe it is because of a business or market condition. Some of our products which are supplied to industries which are export-oriented, there we have seen more slowdown than in other segments.
Well, there's no denying that it's a solid EBITDA performance that you have turned in. Can you do better than that?
Well,
I mean, 302 crore.
Yeah, Lata, it is possible in short term. In short term, it could still further improve because we have seen that the oil prices have remained soft. So it is possible, depending on how we perform on revenue growth, that there could be some improvement of margin in short term.
So can you at least give us a timeline of when the company will return to double-digit top-line growth?
It's very difficult. I wish I could tell you that. It's very difficult to say that. It will depend on number of circumstances, all of which are not in our control. But we hope to reach that level pretty soon.
Sure, we'll leave it at that. Thanks for joining us. Decent set of numbers from Pidilite, but this is a CNBC TV10 exclusive. We learned from sources that M&M is planning to consolidate all their agri businesses under EPC Industries and